I'm going to make a step-by-step video that will guide you on how to activate this. This is something that you pay thousands of money to get it, but I'm going to give you for free. Today we will be installing high vision camera, a surveillance camera. Because of the location that we are, we need 4 eyes. Apart from our 2 eyes, we need another eyes that can also monitor the location for us, and we can also look at it from the computer. And one thing about this high vision on surveillance camera, security camera, is not just plug and play. That's the secret behind this thing. You need to activate it for it to work. And for you to activate it, we have a 2 method to do that. One is through NVR, which means network video recorder, that record all the activities, record footprint. NVR replaces DVR, which is the old-fashioned, the analog type. So for us to be able to activate this camera, for you to be able to monitor it, to see it from the screen, we need NVR. We need you need network cable. You need network cable. This network cable will be connected to the camera, then connect to your NVR PoE ports. That is if that one we are going to use, but I'm not going to use that one because my NVR location is far away from where I am. So what I'm going to do on my own, this is the camera, this is how it look like. This is the camera. So you connect the LAN cable here, then you connect this other port to the NVR. But in this my video, I'm going to be connecting it with 12-volt battery. The PoE, what's happened is that the PoE also give you access to be able to have to be able to power the camera. It will give you 12 voltage to power the camera, because the camera is a 12-volt camera, meaning if you are not using your NVR to activate it, you can use a 12-volt battery. I have with me here a 12-volt battery already. 12-volt battery is my 12-volt battery that I'm going to use. I've already made me a connection for that. Yes, I've already made myself connection for that. This 12-volt camera connected already to the negative side and the positive side of the camera or of the battery. Then you need this plug. This will enable you to connect to your camera. The 12 volt will enable you to connect to your camera. So if you connect this one, since I'm going to use computer, I'll connect this one. Now it has powered the camera. Then I will connect this other side to my computer. When I connect to my computer, in that regard, I will be able to read the IP address of this camera and be able to configure it and activate it. So if you want the full video on how to activate this camera, kindly drop it at the comment section. If I have a good amount of people that indicate interests on how to activate this, I'm going to make a step-by-step video that will guide you on how to activate this. It's something that you pay thousands of money to get it, but I'm going to give you for free. And if I have a good amount of share, likes, and comments, show interest that you need to know how to install this camera, you need to know how to activate it, I'm going to do a step-by-step video that will guide you from A to Z on how to activate this. If you are game, drop it at the comment section, then I will do it for you. See you some other time.